Tom, I love your shirt today.
Oh, thank you. That's kind of you.
The color is beautiful.
You're making me smile.
That's what compliments do.
You're right.
And that's our topic today.
Perfect timing.
Today, we're talking about giving compliments
How to make people feel good.
with simple English phrases.
Everyone loves a compliment.
Let's begin.
So, Lucy, why are compliments important?
Great question.
Tell me.
Compliments make people happy.
That's true.
They strengthen relationships.
With friends and colleagues.
They create positive connections.
Even with strangers.
Exactly. A simple compliment can brighten someone's day.
That's beautiful.
And in English, compliments are very common.
More common than in some cultures.
Yes, English speakers give compliments often.
So we should learn how.
Absolutely.
What's the simplest compliment?
The easiest structure is I like your.
That's very simple.
I like your shoes.
Clear and direct.
I like your hair.
Easy to say.
Everyone can use this phrase.
What's another way?
You can say your is are nice.
Can you give examples?
Of course, your dress is nice.
Good one.
Your glasses are nice.
Very natural.
For stronger compliments, use beautiful, lovely, or amazing.
Instead of nice.
Yes, your garden is beautiful.
That's warmer.
Your home is lovely.
Very British.
Your painting is amazing.
Shows real appreciation.
Exactly.
I had a student called Aisha from Saudi Arabia.
Tell me about Aisha.
She moved to Manchester for university.
Okay.
She noticed people gave compliments all the time.
That's British culture.
At first, she didn't know how to respond.
What happened?
Someone said, "I love your bag."
A simple compliment.
Aisha just smiled and nodded.
She didn't say anything.
She was too shy.
What did you teach her?
I taught her to say, "Thank you."
The basic response.
And thank you, that's kind of you.
Perfect.
Aisha started using these phrases.
Did it help?
Yes, she made friends much faster.
Compliments opened doors.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about complimenting people's appearance.
This is common.
But be appropriate.
Yes, very important.
Safe compliments are about clothes, hair, or accessories.
Like what?
I love your jacket.
Safe and friendly.
Your haircut looks great.
Positive.
Those earrings are beautiful.
Specific and genuine.
Avoid compliments that are too personal.
Like about someone's body.
Exactly. Keep it professional and respectful.
Especially with people you don't know well.
Always.
What about complimenting someone's work?
Excellent question.
This is important at work or school.
You can say great job.
Simple and effective.
Well done.
Very British.
Your presentation was excellent.
More specific.
You did a fantastic job on this project.
That's detailed praise.
Specific compliments mean more.
Why?
They show you really paid attention.
Ah, I see.
My student Diego from Mexico learned this lesson.
What happened?
Diego worked in a graphic design company.
Okay.
He wanted to compliment his colleagues' work.
Good idea.
At first, he only said good.
Just one word.
Yes, his colleague looked disappointed.
That's not enough.
I taught Diego to be more specific.
What did you teach him?
I really like the colours you chose, or the layout is very creative.
Much better.
Diego started giving detailed compliments.
How did people react?
They loved it. His relationships improved.
Specific compliments are powerful.
Very powerful.
What about complimenting someone's skills?
Great topic. You can say you're very good at.
Can you give examples?
You're very good at cooking.
Nice.
You're very good at explaining things.
Thoughtful.
Or use you're such a good.
Like.
You're such a good teacher.
Warm compliment.
You're such a good listener.
That's meaningful. What about personality compliments?
These are wonderful.
They're deeper than appearance.
Exactly. You can say you're so kind.
Beautiful compliment.
You're very patient.
Appreciative.
You're so helpful.
These build strong relationships.
They really do.
I had a student named Chen from China.
What's her story?
Chen was shy about giving compliments.
Why?
In her culture, direct compliments felt awkward.
That's common.
But in her office in London, compliments were normal.
She needed to adapt.
Yes, I taught her simple phrases.
Which ones?
That's a good idea, and you're so organized. Chen started using them in meetings.
Did it make a difference?
Huge difference. Her boss noticed she was a team player.
Compliments showed her collaborative spirit.
Exactly.
Now, let's talk about receiving compliments.
This is important too.
In English, always say thank you.
Don't refuse the compliment.
Right, don't say no, no, no.
That's common in some cultures.
But in English, it seems rude.
Just accept gracefully.
Say thank you or thank you so much.
What if you want to say more?
You can add, that's very kind of you.
Lovely response.
Or, I appreciate that.
More formal.
You can also return the compliment.
How?
Thank you, I like your shoes too.
That's friendly.
Or thank you, you always dress so well.
Creates a positive exchange.
Exactly.
My student Isabella from Argentina struggled with this.
What happened?
Someone complimented her English.
What did they say?
Your English is really good.
Nice compliment.
But Isabella said no, it's terrible.
Oh no.
The person felt uncomfortable.
What did you teach her?
Just say Thank you. I'm still learning, but I'm trying.
Perfect response.
It accepts the compliment and stays humble.
Isabella used it after that.
Yes, people responded much better.
Great lesson.
What about complimenting in professional settings?
Be genuine and specific.
Not too personal.
Exactly. Focus on work-related things.
Like
Your report was very thorough.
professional,
I appreciate your attention to detail.
respectful,
You handled that client really well.
observant. These build professional respect.
Absolutely. One more important tip.
What's that?
Make eye contact when giving compliments.
Why?
It shows you're sincere.
Not just saying it automatically.
Exactly, and smile.
Body language matters.
So much.
So, everyone listening,
Start giving compliments today.
use simple phrases.
I like your, or you're very good at.
Be specific and genuine.
Always say thank you when you receive one.
Don't refuse compliments.
They're gifts of kindness.
Accept them gracefully
Compliments create happiness.
and strengthen connections.
Start today.
Let's review the key phrases for giving compliments.
Yes, let's practice.
I like your shoes.
I like your shoes.
Your dress is beautiful.
Your dress is beautiful.
Great job.
Great job.
Well done.
Well done.
You're very good at cooking.
You're very good at cooking.
You're so kind.
You're so kind.
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
I appreciate that.
I appreciate that.
Your presentation was excellent.
Your presentation was excellent.
Use these phrases every day.
Spread kindness. Great job today.
You did so well.
Give someone a compliment today.
Make someone smile.
Use the phrases we learned.
Be genuine and specific.
Remember to accept compliments gracefully.
Just say thank you.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Spread positivity, everyone.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.